How to fix Tinder problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Tinder problem on Android phone. It's easy. First open settings and then apps, and now apps again, and here type Tinder and click on it. Now all you need to do first, click force stop and then go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, click on it and click allow, and that's it. Allow all of those, and now go to notifications, check all of those, message, likes, messages, and all of those. And now go to data usage, enable background data and Wi-Fi and mobile data, maybe you'll find it like that, and then enable it. Now go to storage, clear cache, this one here, and that's it. Now just restart your phone and try again, and all your problems will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.